Hi, my name is Amanda. I am a family medicine physician and also a wife and a busy mom of a 7 and a 4-year-old, and I have sleep apnea. When I first had the diagnosis, I was extremely nervous being a physician, knowing the compliance rates with individuals with sleep apnea, how difficult a lot of the systems can be to use. But I also knew the importance of staying compliant with my CPAP, wearing it nightly. And for me, the Bleep Halo Eclipse has been an absolute game changer. Having 2 small children at night, oftentimes I have to get up in the middle of the night and check on them. And because of the magnetic seal, the system has just been incredibly easy for me to be able to use, to take it off, to get back on. I could not imagine using any other product. I could not recommend this enough, not only for myself, but also for my patients. I would strongly encourage anybody who is new to the diagnosis of sleep apnea or maybe is concerned about the headgear that they currently have with their CPAP supplies to really try giving the Bleep Halo Eclipse system a try. I think you'll find it extremely beneficial. Thank you for the makers. I couldn't imagine using any other product.